Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this video we are going to do the unboxing of the Pikkme case for the Poco C31. And the Poco C31 has been a great phone guys for a budget of around 7,000. Check out the link in the description if you want to buy this case on a discount or something. And we have some leaflets etc. And let me just check how the case is, and it looks fantastic. Like, this is one of the most common cases which is available in the market guys, but then after doing a lot of research I just found like this particular link, which is there linked in the description, is one of the best cases which you can find out. And again, the Poco C31 had been a great phone guys, which comes with a fingerprint scanner. Also, if you like this kind of videos, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to press that bell notification icon to get any future updates. Also guys, follow us on social media: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter @CreativeSoft, and which helps my channel a lot guys. And coming back to the case guys, it is very sturdy, and in my case I found that the back is this kind of translucent, and it is made from a good quality plastic. I wouldn't say the most durable, but let me just try it on my phone. And I'd been using this for a while guys, and I'm just doing a voiceover of this video after using this about for 15 days. And the build quality is quite good, even the buttons are good. And I ordered previously many cases which were not up to the mark. In fact, in the market also you don't get any cases which comes with this. And as you can see, the cutout for the fingerprint scanner is quite good, and this is slightly a smokier side guys. The back, I mean to say the translucent back, which is slightly having this black color smoky tint, which just makes this a very attractive case. And let me know in the comments below what you think about this case, which case you are using for your Poco C31. You can also use this with the older phones like the Poco C3, which will fit exactly the same way. And even you can use with the Redmi phones, I guess, the Redmi 10 and 9A and all, and if it supports a fingerprint scanner guys. And even if you see the buttons and all, it is of proper cutout. And I never had any issues with this case guys previously, and this is available for about 200 rupees or less. Again, you all have to check the link in the description. And you all can use with those phones which comes with the IR blaster. So the Redmi series also will be supporting this, even the Poco series, because it is nothing but a rebranded phone guys. And I'd been using this with this Poco C31, and as you can see, the lip is quite raised, and which is going to protect your phone against some drop and all. And even the buttons are very tactile. I had no issues with it. And let me just show you how it is. And this is me unlocking the phone, and it is quite good guys. And let me just show you how the back cover is. And as you can see, the fingerprint is definitely, I mean to say, the fingerprint scanner is accessible, and even the quality of the plastic which is used even for connecting lanyards etc., it is quite good. And the most important part guys is your phone is being protected even for the cameras. And as you can see, there are minor kind of scratches, I would say, which you can see. Again, this will going to be fading after a couple of months of usage, and especially your camera is protected guys. That is one of the thing to get this. And there are no scratches on the back guy whatsoever. I'd been using this for 15 days and I had no issues with it, so definitely recommend to get this particular case. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this case guys. Again, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing, and do check out our awesome videos which we have it. And let me know your thoughts, whether you are thinking of buying this case or you all are using some other one. Again guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and see you in my next video.